Hey everyone, so I was debating actually uploading this because we go outside and I didn't want it to look like I was promoting like going outside. But I thought I'm going to upload it anyway because I know you're all going to be stuck inside and want things to be entertaining. So it's not monetized. I've used music to make it more like enjoyable, so I'm not making any money out of it or anything. Just literally want it to be for you lot to pass the time and provide a distraction that's kind of uplifting and positive. So this was filmed prior to the lockdown, so we were allowed to go out and about at this point, and the only reason we actually left the house was to provide food for my brother who was isolating in his uni accommodation. I didn't go into the house, just left food on the doorstep, and then we went for a walk and chose the quietest place we could find to go for a walk. You know, didn't go within 2 meters of people, didn't touch things, and chose the paths that were the most isolated. So we really tried to do it as well as possible, and obviously wouldn't do it now because it's lockdown and you go out for essential reasons only. Enjoy the video and, you know, wash your hands and that.
Wash your hands, you dirty pig.
God, what is this ball of fire in the sky? Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday and it's kind of my second day in social isolation because of my asthma and also inability to cope with any form of illness. Being ill. The last 2 times I had a cold at uni, it turned into a chest infection, and I had 2 rounds of antibiotics and 2 rounds of steroids to get them back working. So I just don't really fancy my chances against corona, you know? Working from home and trying to be as helpful to my work as I can. So the most important part of my day is this. Give a shake. I also, because allergies, have to take 10 mils of this every single day to try and stop that sort of reaction that I have on my chest. My room is a bit of a tip at the moment. So the first thing I'm going to do today is tidy it up because it is not a space, like my desk, I can't work at that space.
I walked into the room and then I saw your face. You looked me in the eye and then I wanted to erase myself.
Amazing book, by the way.
Erase myself. I didn't want to fall, but then I stepped right in. I looked down at the ground and then I felt it right within.
You can just feel the dust on my fingers.
You took a step forward and tilted your head. With a curious glance you stared and I felt dead. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. You said hey, and I said hello. What's your name? I'd really like to know.
Now, I know wipes aren't very good for the environment. I bought these makeup wipes 2 years ago. I was allergic to them and they've just been sat in a drawer. So I thought, do you know what? I'm not going to chuck them out, but I'm also not going to use them on my face, so I'll just use them to dust my room. This is my actual archaeology trowel as well. It's now an ornament. This is some Roman Samian ware pottery, which I nicked from the spoils heap at the dig I did in first year of uni. So they find so much of it that if it's not like a full piece or it doesn't have writing on or anything, they just put it on the spoils heap and it just gets reburied. I decided that I wanted it.
How was your day? You said better now with a smile. What a cliche, but to be honest, it made my day.
Yeah, okay, that looks so much better.
It was too late for me.
I've got about 40 minutes before my family and I go to Sheffield.
It was a bad idea. Calling you up was such a bad idea. 'Cause now I'm even more lost. It was a bad idea to think you were the one. Was such a bad idea. 'Cause now everything's wrong. You put your hands under my shirt and did my brow and said these words. Darling, you're so don't play. Don't hold your cards too close is what they say. And love is just another leap of faith, but I jump right in.
Say hi.
I took the train, I took the car.
Okay.
Didn't know just where I fall, where it take me.
I am not going in the danger house. What's that?
I didn't have coronavirus. You can come out.
Stay away!
I didn't have it.
I'm not taking it. What are you doing?
I'm wearing my pajamas. Well, whatever. If you're not coming out.
Bye. Bye. Just 3 people on a walk, 6 feet apart, cause we're not getting corona.
2 bros chilling in the hot tub.
What have you found?
Must be King Arthur.
Why?
I just pulled the coin out.
Okay.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want your berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. I'm just thinking out loud. I don't know if I could ever go without. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high.
We're back. Hopefully, like, we're not locked down.
Who's gonna tell her? Me or you?
And I ordered one of these watches. It's like a Fitbit, but obviously it's not a Fitbit. It only costs. I've just dropped it. Okay. I just want something that will track that I'm still being active enough whilst not leaving the house, because my job was a really active job. We got back about 4:30 and then I played with my watch and scrolled through TikTok for probably an hour. And then after that I spent a good 2 hours planning and writing my video for the Study 2 project, which was about the skull and the pelvis. If you haven't watched that yet, go and check it out. Then after that I joined Manny to do a live stream with my tea, because I was too late.
Hey,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good. This is terrifying. I've got food.
I took the train, I took the car. Didn't know just where I'd fall, where it'd take me.
You keep asking me for affirmation. Believe in yourself. That you can do it. Right, are you vlogging?
Yes. Right, it is 9 o'clock now. That live went on for ages, but it was so much fun. I was really nervous during this. Just there's no point being nervous because it was fine. It was great. It was just like FaceTiming Manny. I'm gonna go watch Belgravia on TV. I'm gonna go watch that and sort of edit at the same time, just with like one headphone in, multitasking. Yeah, because I need to get it done, and I just did an impromptu live stream, so I don't have time to watch TV, so I'm gonna do it at the same time.
Wake and I walk till I'm way too far from home. I wish I knew, I wish I